Mommy, Baba landlord, he came to ask of you this morning.
What did you tell him?
I told him that.
My mommy said I should tell you that she's not at home.
I told him that you are not around.
You are a woman.
Thank God you, for the first time.
But daddy, mommy, do you know that Brilliant Concept, they are selling 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedroom flats in Surulere?
Sweet.
From 10 million naira, and you can pay over 12 months.
Tasty.
Really? And now, their phone number is 003-326-4960. They are even on Instagram, Brilliant Concept _realtors. Instead of running away from Baba landlord and all this, why not just do that one?
Thank you, Mr. Advisor. Why not just also read your books? Read your books.
Don't mind him. No wonder he failed WAEC.
Yes, Lord.
Read your books. Okay?
Flawless victory.
But mommy, daddy, wait, I have one question.
Bruh.
Why is it that you people are always attacking me in this house? You always treat me as if I'm adopted. I want to know today. Don't worry, I'm old enough.
Oh my
Daddy,
God.
mommy, am I adopted? Your people adopt me. Tell me, don't worry, I'm old enough. I will understand. Don't worry, tell me. I want to know. Tell me if I'm adopted. Tell me.
My son. Actually, if we were really desperate to have a child, we won't adopt somebody like you.
Honestly, we would have made a better choice.
This world's not my home, I'm just a passing through.
I did not kill my own mother.
Yes.
You will not kill me.
Somewhere beyond the blue, the angels beckon me from heaven's open door, and I can't feel at home in this world anymore.